Hey, how's it going? So I had a bit of an idea for a scalp position today around New York session. I didn't go in for this. I wasn't too confident when I set it out, but I laid it out just as a forward test to see how it would do, really. So here we are on the 15 minute. I logged on at it was around 12:30, so about half an hour before New York opened. Um, I'm based in the UK. So I noticed we had what looked like a fake market shift here because we had this candle here, which, if we look further down, reacted off. You can see it was reacting off an order block over here, and if you go further down, it looks like it had a little bit of liquidity that it took, which it went to create this low here. Um, which also, if you look a little bit to the left here, further on, it did take an order block and created this high, this new high. I noticed it did come down, broke structure. It looked like it was an actual market shift that happened because on the 1 minute time frame, it looked like that high took a bit of, let's zoom in there a bit so you can see properly, took all this liquidity here, reacted also from this imbalance and a nice order block there. So when it broke structure, it created a market shift, so meaning this would be protected here. I was watching it for a while just to see what would happen. I was a bit worried that it might be a bit low probability from where it was actually reacting. Um, but yeah, it did come up to this order block that I marked out with imbalance. Did react off that. Came to test it once again. So I was thinking about entering around this point here. As you can see, I've laid it out here, but I wasn't too confident. Looks like it started going my way, which is cool. I marked off down to this point, which is basically, if we move out, would have been the next low here. Um, However, I have noticed subsequently that this low that was formed here is actually reacting off an imbalance with some liquidity here. So I think it's taken its target and now it's going to start moving up um, until it finds something else, which it looks like it might have here. But yeah, this is looking pretty low probability. If I actually had gone in for this trade, I probably would have either set my break even at this point by now and maybe taken some partials and see how it played out. But yeah, I didn't go in, so I'll just see how this runs. But yeah, with news coming up, we've got the Fed that's going to be speaking this week, and also we've also got quite a bit of news around inflation. So it's going to be a bit of an up and down, one. I don't know how if I'm going to actually trade this week or if I'm just going to do some forward testing. But yeah, so that's it.